In this video, we will guide you on registering as our e-bidder. Go to search engine and search NCM Mao & Co. Click the login button, then fill in your email and password. First, you will need to choose the property you wish to bid on. Now that you have identified that you want to bid, what's next? First, browse your intended property's listing. Click on e-bidding registration. You must complete your user profile if you haven't done so before. After that, you will be led to this page. We can arrange a courier service to deliver your contract, or you could collect it at our office. Follow step by step until payment is made. You will receive an SMS reminder 24 hours before the auction. On the day of the auction, a login PIN will be sent to you via email. Please be ready 30 minutes before the auction starts and ensure your device and internet connection are stable. To join the auction, click the link provided in the email and log in. This shows up on your device. This is the subject unit you're about to bid on. Wait until the next screen shows up.
Auction started.
The auction has started. Place your bid by hitting this button. The price bar will change to this pinkish color, and "You are the highest bid now" will appear if you're the highest bidder of the auction.
First calling. First calling. First calling. First calling. First calling. Second calling. Final call. No more bid.
Hammer down.
Sold.
You are the highest bidder. You will be led to this page after winning the unit. Here is the balance of the upbid amount to pay for the unit within the mentioned period. Our friendly customer support team will contact the successful buyer to arrange the top-up of the differential sum and the contract stamping fee, which the buyer can pay through online. This is your guide to the e-bidding process. Good luck, and we hope you succeed in the upcoming auction. Thank you for watching, and happy bidding!